iCloud tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use iCloud on your iPhone and make the most out of this essential feature. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, iCloud is connected to your Apple ID, which you use to download apps and access your iPhone's features. When you set up your iPhone, your Apple ID automatically becomes your iCloud account. To manage iCloud, go to Settings, then tap on your name at the top and choose iCloud. Now, iCloud is essentially online storage for your device. You can store photos, files, and documents, as well as back up your iPhone and sync apps across multiple devices like iPads and other iPhones. You get 5 gigabytes of free storage when you create an iCloud account, which is enough for backing up basic data like notes and messages. But if you want to back up all your photos or store larger files, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan for more storage. This works just like Google Drive or Dropbox, where you can store and organize your files online. That's all for the video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.